Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull. How you doing? I am here in the far end of the back of my property, between my property and my neighbor's property, going right across. Now, this fence over here, over the years, a lot of the pine trees from my property, from storms and things of that nature that have fallen over, have destroyed this fence over the years. As you can see here, it's all crumbled up and bent. You can't fix it. I mean, you can fix it, but I'm saying you can't repair this fence here. So I'm taking it down, and then I'm gonna just put some wire, some other type of fence, not chain link fence, but you know, the other type of cattle panel fencing and stuff like that, going across back here. Just close it off here. There's already another fence over there on the side of that, but that fence also is smashed up. And from this fence being bent over, the dog from my other neighbor on the other side, which is a good dog and stuff like that. Sometimes, because we have a lot of trees around here, so a lot of the fences are damaged from trees falling on them. So he be getting out the yard over there, and he goes through the woods back here, and he's able to get back here and get onto my property. And the other day he was on here, and they heard him barking. One of my neighbors heard him barking, came over, knocked on my door, and told me that the dog's in the yard. So I got scared. I thought the dog might have harmed the chickens and stuff like that. But when I came over, he was actually he was actually playing with the chickens. But you know, I can't take no chance and stuff like that. Plus, if he can get in, some other predator or some other dog can get in. So plus I gotta fix this fence. I just can't have it like that. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm gonna put the pliers to this fence here and the bow cutters and whatnot, and get rid of it and put up a new fence. And if Ike can just give me a break. Ike is lucky now. You know, he's been grandfathered in by all the neighbors. The noise does not bother my neighbors at all, and was bothering my wife more than bothering my neighbors, so I had to tell her, chill out, you know what I'm saying? The neighbors ain't complaining about the rooster, so stop complaining, you know? So now that I built this whole area back here, he can't get near down on the house or on the porch and poop on the porch and all that. So he's deep back here. The noise is kind of muffled, so it doesn't bother her as much. So they stay back here. It's just wonderful. All the trees back here, they're living like royalty back here. So that's how chickens should be living, free ranging, and being able to go out and eat bugs and do what they want to do, and just feel like a chicken should be. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this fence here. And now my neighbor that's side by side with me, he's also getting some chickens, and he's gonna get some little baby goats. So we got a little baby farm going back here now. So Ike is cool, baby. All right. Now shut up, Ike. You're starting to bother me now. Getting on my last nerve. what I'll be doing here with this fence here, since my cattle panel fencing is a 4-foot fence, and the chain link fence that used to be up there, it was a 6-foot. Actually, in this area, it looked like it was a 5-foot. And so what I'm gonna do after I put this fence up here, I'm gonna cut and lower the top rails there, metal rails that go across the top. Cut them and lower them down so that way I can tie the fence off to that. So that way I won't have a, you know, an 8-inch gap in between. But even if I left it like that, it would be fine because, you know, 4 foot high is plenty for my chickens. Are not gonna fly over it because I have their wings clipped, and you know they're accustomed to their luxury. They ain't going nowhere. So anyway, yeah. So I will definitely be lowering it afterwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this fence up there just to make sure my chickens stay put. Put some of these clamps into it, and help join the two fences together. All right, baby, that's a wrap. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that for now. You know, let me show you this little gap here between the fence, right? And let me see, I don't know if you can see it, right? So between here and here, this little gap, about 10 inches or so. But I'm not particularly worried about it, stuff like that, because You know, I'm only worried about down here where I have a 4-foot height that my chickens are not gonna, you know, get over because I got their wings clipped. I may eventually here come and put, I was thinking about it, you know, what I said that I was gonna lower it, but why lower it? I could just cut a piece, you know, about 2 feet or so, or 1.5 feet, and clamp it from here to here and run it across and save myself a big headache. All right, so anyway, hey, as always, let's see if I can show you these guys here. They're over there chilling out. They got potholes all over the place here looking for bugs. All right, now I need a shave and a haircut. Get back to civilization. All right, y'all take care. Much love.